it's tough dry, man. This one really is.
I think that's the nice part. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, there's a bunch of guys that claim they're gonna try this side.
He's trying to talk me into it right now.
Oh hell no! There's no way, dude. That is like so serious. You have a will, slide in that, man. We're gonna take most of the winches here to get you out.
You gotta get on the other side of that rock because when you first come up, it's your crash angle. It's coming right there. There you go. There you go. Now back driver. There you go. Come driver. Good climb. Now big driver. Hard driver. Hard. Hard. There you go, perfect. Now you got a straight shot at it. Right there. Perfect. Side speed, side speed. There she is. All right. Nice. Okay. One more time. Let's do that one more time. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Go. We're good. We're good. Watch out. There you go. Straight up. Go ahead. You're on the outside of that. Go, go, go. Oh, you were good. Now he's going to wait. Shit. Punch it in. Take it back. Same thing. Go a little. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Hey, what did he say? Can't? He said I could. I proved him wrong.
I can't believe they called you.
Were they yanking on it? I gotta go do it again.
Pull him in, pull him in, pull him in. Everybody grabs a rope.
Dude, that was awesome. That was sick. That was sweet.
Who said I couldn't?
That's good, dude. I didn't see Gary.
It said it was quite odd.
Just walk up front.
So we're gonna name this part after me, right?